Yes, guys, no letter 50 by 70 centimeter softbox, which goes for both of them goes for 5,500. Let me show you how to assemble them. This is the softbox. It comes with a diffuser. Yeah, this is the diffuser. You can see the shadows. Yes, as you can see, there's no shadows. Unafanya hivi, unachukua unasukuma hivyo. This is how you do this. It comes with the LED bulb with the options of 85 watts, 100 watts, and 150. This is the remote bulb and the battery. As you can see, the bulb I'll just screw it to the softbox like this. So this is the stand. Let me show you how to put this. Hapo iko sawa. Let me show you how to fix the diffuser.